problem here. The equation 24x squared plus 25x minus 47 over ax minus 2 equals negative 8x minus 3 minus 53 over ax minus 2 is true for all values of x not equal to 2 over a, where a is a constant. What is the value of a? So the first thing we do here is we multiply both sides by ax minus 2. So we have this, and then we multiply both sides by ax minus 2. So ax minus 2 cancels out here and here. So we are left with 24x squared plus 25x minus 47 equals negative 8x minus 3 times ax minus 2 minus 53. Now let's simplify the expression on the right. So that would be 24x squared plus 25x minus 47 is just equal to so that would be negative 8ax squared minus 3ax plus 16x plus 6 minus 53, and then simplify the expression on the right. Copy 25x minus 47. So this would be negative 8ax squared minus 3ax plus 16x minus 47. So we can just equate the coefficient of x squared here, which is this one, 24 and negative 8a. So that is 24 equals negative 8a. Divide both sides by negative 8. So a is just equal to negative 3. So this is our answer here. This follows that the coefficients of the x squared term must have to be equal on both sides. That's why we equate 24 here to negative 8a. Let's solve another problem here. What are the solutions to 3x squared plus 12x plus 6 equals 0? So the first thing we do here is to try to factor this equation here. If we cannot factor, then we have to use another method. So we can divide both sides by 3. So we have x squared plus 4x plus 2 equals 0. So let's try to factor this. Let's look for factors of 2 that when we multiply them it would equal to positive 2, and when we add them it would equal to positive 4. But 2 has only 1 and 2 as factors, or negative 1 and negative 2. Therefore we cannot just factor this. So we have to use the quadratic formula. Let's determine the coefficients first. So the value of a here is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 2. Then using the quadratic formula, x equals negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, and then we can just plug in all the values to this formula here. So that is x equals negative b, negative of 4, plus minus 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 2 over 2 times 1. So that is x equals negative 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 8 over 2. This is just equal to negative 4 plus minus 16 minus 8 is 8 over 2. And we can write 8 as 4 times 2, so that is x equals negative 4 plus minus square root of 4 times 2 over 2. So this is x equals, and 4 here is a perfect square, so square root of 4 is just 2. We put 2 outside of the radical, so that is negative 4 plus minus 2 square root of 2 over 2. So 4, 2, and 2 here are divisible by 2, so our answer would be negative 2 plus minus square root of 2. So the answer here is letter A.